to the family. I do not own the rights to this music. This is some great jazz playing in the background. Fair use, fair use. How's it going today, man? I dropped the link in the description for you guys to contact these people if you guys are having issues paying off your debt, man. If you're saying, man, hey, man, my profile is beyond repair, doc. I'm so far in debt. I don't know what I'm going to do. There is a solution. I dropped the link in there below. All I ask you to do is hit like and hit subscribe if you're not already. So, man, when you're doing this credit repair, man, you don't want to be discouraged, man. If you receive multiple stall tactics and rejections, remember restoring your credit isn't easy at all. If you decide to restore your own credit with the courses that I offer, you knew this from the very beginning that you will encounter delays. We tell you that all the time. It says it might be delays. Each case requires different responses, adding up to your final round. Okay. However, you should remember by rule of thumb that the credit bureau is a bureaucracy. Okay. You shouldn't expect the credit bureau to react as if they were an individual. So if you're talking to Ray on the other line, don't expect Ray to really feel what you're saying. He's just doing his job. Hey, it's out of his hands. He's just doing his job, okay? There is no single person handling your specific case. Anybody can touch it. She can touch it. He could touch it. You could get somebody with chickens in the background, okay? So, man, you're going to send letters in response to the rejections or stall tactics. And you get all this with my course. Okay? Usually, when you get these rejections or these stall tactics, you want to write another one. Write it again. You want to rewrite them. Okay? If you don't receive nothing in 42 to 52 business days, it's only fair to say that your dispute has been ignored, right? There's nothing you can really do but write another one. This process will take some time, okay? Make sure you mention the previous dispute that you sent in. Also, and this next dispute should be a little more threatening than the first one. The first one will come off passive aggressive. So, like I said, if you have any debt problems, I had a link below that, this can help you guys a lot, help you guys get out of debt. These people will come up with a payment plan for you, and their service is free, man. That's what I like about it. The service is free, doesn't cost you, too much. Damn near free. The services are damn near free. And when I say free, I mean stupid affordable. Like how much you would pay for an eighth type stuff. Especially if you smoke. If you're smoking, you buying an eighth every 3 days. Come on, man. Add it up. You can get this and get out of debt and get on your journey to restoring credit and living the life that you desire, man. You deserve it. Let's get on it, man. Remember, I do not own the rights to this music. This is fair use. Hope you like this message today. Hit like, hit subscribe. Yeah.